Hi everybody, it's Lyn from Lyn's Crafts. Real quick, I've got a RAK I want to share with you. And if you don't know what a RAK is, it is a random act of kindness. Usually from one of your subbies. In this case, it's from my dear friend Tammy, Tamara. She sent me the pasta machine motor for my clay roller. And it's awesome. I absolutely love it, even though my husband doesn't really like it very much, but he thinks it makes me lazy. I'm not sure how that works, but anyway, if anything, it makes me work more. I'm not going to show it hooked up to my pasta machine, but trust me, it's awesome. This is what it looks like. Okay, it's a Pro pasta machine motor. Okay. Then, I'll start with the mat first. She sent me this awesome silicone mat. And I'm gonna put it on my desk and hopefully eliminate some of the glare that you get. Possibly. Okay. Then I got some stencils. This awesome Parisian stencil. I don't speak Parisian, but I'm assuming it's a perfumery. Okay, and then another one that is a script stamp. And it is also in Parisian. Okay, love this. And then I got some stamps. And it is a set of alphabet stamps. Along with some other stamps. And I'm going to show you the sheet because looking at them is rather difficult. This is the alphabet. It's really pretty. And then these are the rest of the stamps. It's an Anna Griffin stamp set. I'm sorry, I know there's glare. Okay. So, thank you so much, Tamara. I really can't thank you enough. I really, really appreciate it. If anyone else out there wants to send me a RAK, just send me a message and I'll send you back my shipping information. Also, I'm gonna ask this, and I never do this kind of thing, but I really need a new camera. My camera is giving me fits. I can never tell when I'm actually filming and when I'm not. So if anybody wants to help me out, please go to my shop and buy something. Go to my shop and buy something. I've got a lot of pendants and a few home decorator type items. Okay? So that's it for now. Please like, share, and subscribe. My links will be listed below the video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye now.